white cheddar and steak sandwiches. It's basically a copycat of the sandwiches that they used to have at Panera, but so I'm gonna do just basic seasons like onion, garlic, sea salt, and pepper. My pepper is broken. Okay, so I just added butter to the pan, and then I'm gonna put the meat, or I'm gonna cook the meat, and then And then we're also making onion rings to go with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the air fryer. It is so hot in this kitchen right now between the oven being on and the stove being on. Okay, now I'm gonna cut up an onion. It's technically supposed to be a red onion, but I didn't realize we didn't have any red onions, so we're gonna use a yellow onion. Okay, so I'm going to be using this pita bread that we got at Lidl. I've never had it before, so hopefully it's good. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in so I can toast the bread a little bit, and then I'm going to put the steak on and then the cheese on. Stick them back in the oven for like 1 to 2 minutes, until the cheese melts, and then we'll pull them out. Okay, so now they're out of the onion, and I'm gonna add horseradish to mine and then mayo to my husband's because he doesn't like this. All right, and then that is the final product.